If you have multiple eBay accounts and are using Linnworks to manage them, then I have a crazy hack for you. Using this hack, you can create hundreds of listings with just a few clicks on all of your eBay accounts. Hello, I am Shakhwat from Ecomclips. In this video, I will show you how you can create such a large volume of listing for your multiple eBay store using Linnworks. And it's like a magic. It's gonna save a lot of time for your selling effort. Not only that, if you have created listing in this way, you will have more control over inventory and order management. So without any delay, hit subscribe and let's jump into the process. In Linnworks, it has a special feature to create bulk listing for multiple eBay stores. If you are new on Linnworks, first you need to import products. Then you will have to integrate your eBay channels and set up configurators. After that, you will be able to create bulk listings. Now, let's go through them one by one. First, you need to import all of your products on Linnworks. This requires giving all of your product related information like titles, prices, description, images, etc. Good news is we have already covered this part in another video. Link in the description. Now, you must integrate your eBay marketplaces with Linnworks. Let's see the processes. Go to Setting, then Channel Integration. Click on Add New. On the search bar, type eBay to find from the list of available channels. Click Integrate. Now you will need to complete these 5-step processes. Select your eBay site from the drop-down menu, especially the username of your eBay account, and click Step 2. Now you need to give Linnworks the access to your eBay account. Click the link under the header called Authorize eBay. This will open up the eBay sign-in page. Log in using your credential. I already have integrated my eBay channel, so I should do not again it. I hope you will be able to complete the remaining steps without any trouble. After integrating eBay in Linnworks, our next task is to set up a configurator. Now let's see how to do it. Go to Setting again, then Configurators, then eBay. Click on Add New button. Fill the details on the window. Enter the name of the configurator. Select the eBay account on which you will be using listing items. Select the eBay site that you are using. Select the currency that will be used on this listing. Select listing type and choose a duration. Define return and refund policies. Then choose a payment methods. And set up your shipping methods and rules with proper details. Now click on Save. The configurator is now created. You can edit the name of your configurator after the creation. After creating the configurator, ensure you have configured all the sections from this page. Let's do some customization on them. If you are done with the previous 3 steps, then hard parts are over. The next step is super simple, which is creating in bulk listings. Open the inventory page. Now choose the items for which you want to create listings. If you want to list all of the items, then select one of them. Then press Ctrl A. In the top right corner of the screen, click the button with the wheel-shaped icon and select Create Listing for all these items. A pop-up window will open. Here you need to select your eBay account and choose a configurator. Then click on Create. That's it. After that, you will get a notification that your bulk listing creation process has been started. The most crucial benefit of using Linnworks bulk eBay listing is it will save you a huge time. It's like hitting the first forward button on your product uploads. You can avoid the slow process of uploading each product listing one by one. Rather, you can publish hundreds of them in a shorter time and with less baffling. It also comes with some tools to manage your inventory easily. It will increase the consistency across your listings so customer can get a better shopping experience. But sometimes you can find Linnworks a little bit complicated. Yes, it can save you time. At the same time, sometimes for some sellers. It's very hard to understand the process. If you don't have proper knowledge, the chances of getting errors are very high. That's why we are here to help you. Ecomclips is a team of e-commerce experts with a top-level resources, versatile skill, and more than 12 years of experience. Right now, we have 500 plus team members helping online sellers across the world and providing 24/7 communication to anyone who knocks to our door. So my friend, if you need any help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach to us. You can simply send us an email or just leave a comment. Do visit our website. You will find so many resources there and check out our other videos as well. We try to bring new videos almost every day. This is all for today. See you in another video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.